Assistant Director Front Office. Support the front office manager in managing the front desk operations and supervise daily activities in more details, assist in training, scheduling and supervising the front desk team, resolve guest complaints and endless operational challenges, oversees checking and checkout processes during busy times, ensure that all front desk equipment and software are functioning properly, act as a front office manager in his absence. Receptionist, front desk agent. The receptionist or front desk agent is the first point of contact for guests upon arrival, handling check-in, check-out and general inquiries in more details, welcomes guests and assists with the check-in, check-out process, provides information about the hotel services, facilities and local attraction, endless guest requests such as room upgrades and special amenities, manage rooms reservation and payment processing, addresses and resolves guest issues promptly and professionally.